Okay guys, in this video we are going to look at how to turn your picture, how to clone your picture and get your free picture to say anything you want. Yes, how to get your picture to say anything you want. So even if the picture is not that looking good, you can turn it, refurbish the picture to anything you want. Either you want yourself to be in a studio, either you want yourself to be in an office, either you want yourself, it's going to bear your real face using AI tools. So we're going to be using two AI tools to do this. Get your picture. Maybe if the picture is not that looking good, then you are going to refurbish it to the the environment you want it to be and all that. So without much explanation, let's get to work. We'll be using this example. I want to get some of my picture, put it in an office like a governor of the state, and let it say anything I want it to say. So let's look at the picture we'll be using. Okay, so the tools we'll be using, AI tools we'll be using is ChatGPT, which most of us know, and Grok. So we'll be using ChatGPT to refurbish our picture, to put it in a kind of environment that we want. Then we'll be using Grok to let it say anything that we want the picture to say. Then we use the image, turn it to video. So you can use this thing to achieve many things. You can use it to run adverts, you can use it to create video of yourself saying anything you want. Okay, so now you go to ChatGPT, as you can see here, chatgpt.com. When you go to ChatGPT, you come here, want to upload the sample image of me, of you, whichever one. So upload any of your image. Which one I'm going to be using? Okay, let's use this, or let's use, so even if the picture is not good at all, as long as your face is showing very clearly, ChatGPT is going to refine it for you. Okay, we say I'm going to write something like refine. Okay, refine this picture for me. Let me pause the video. Okay, I pause the video so I complete the prompt. So we're going to prompt this thing very well. So for those of you that don't understand prompting, I've packaged a course called prompt engineering, which helps you to instruct AI the right way and get AI to do any kind of thing you want. Okay, this said refine this picture for me. Let me look like the governor of Lagos State, then put me in the governor's office, sitting like I am addressing the audience in the office. So you can write anything. I don't want this prompt to be so long because of time. I don't want this video to be long. So after writing anything you want the image to be turned to, remember what you are using this is ChatGPT. So once you are done describing what you want to achieve, then you click on this send. So ChatGPT is going to regenerate the image, put you the way you want it, refine the image exactly the way you want it with your real picture. Okay, let's wait for the image to generate. Okay guys, we are done generating this. This is what ChatGPT gave us. You can, if it didn't give you exactly what you want, you can just retype again and tell ChatGPT to make some changes. Again, tell it the image should be like this and that. So, but let's assume that we're okay with this image. You do what? You save your image. Okay, so we are going to save our image. We have saved it. Now that we have saved the image, we go to Grok. When you go to Grok, is it grok.com? So just type grok.com. Once you go to Grok, you now go to imagine. Click on this imagine. Click on imagine. Then we are going to be uploading that image right away. Upload the image. Yes, this is the image. Then we upload it. Then we are going to instruct this image on what to say. So let the image load. Okay, the image has uploaded successfully. The image has uploaded successfully, as you can see. Now, what are we going to do now? We are going to type anything at all. Okay, we can say turn it to video. Let's turn it to video first. Turn it to a video. Okay, now we send. You can type what you want the image to say first, or whichever way, but my own, I just want to turn it to a video first. Then I give it what I want the video to say. Let's wait for this to be fully generated as video. Okay, it's loaded this preview. Then we can go ahead. You can see here, make a video. So we click make a video. Now it's actually generating it fully as a video. Let's wait for it to generate. Okay, it has finally generated it as a video. As you can see, this always generates in cards. This is what I mean by card. You can see my cursor here, 1 2 3 4. So the first card is still in image. Anyone that is still in image will be bearing this button make a video. This one is still in image. That's what you're seeing make a video. This card is also still in image. That's what you're seeing make video. This is the one that is
Welcome to this
primarily
live
in
interview.
video.
We are investing
So
heavily in technology to
you can
drive
see what
growth.
it's saying.
Lagos is leading the way.
So
Welcome
this
to this
is
live
just a
interview.
default.
We are investing heavily in technology to drive growth.
Okay. What it's saying is just a default prompt that the AI just gave because I didn't give it any prompt. So let's now give it what we want the AI to say or my image to say. Okay. Let's type here. Let the image or let him say. Then put your colon, put your quotation. Okay, let's type. Okay, I'm done typing, so I've given it the prompt what I want the video to say. Let him say, you can see what I typed. Let him say in typical Nigerian intonation. I added this typical Nigerian intonation so that it will talk like at least a Nigerian. Let it not be speaking in phonetics like an American or other countries. Okay, so you put whatever thing you want it to say in quotation. This is what I mean by quotation. I don't know what you call it in English. This cover it, open it and close it once you are done with all the things you want the video to say. Okay, so I say thank you my people for voting me in. I promise I will make Lagos a better place. This is just what I wanted to say. Then I click send. Let's wait for it to regenerate the video and see if it will be able to actually say this I instructed it to say. Let's watch, guys. Okay guys, it's done generating the video with what I actually wanted it to say. Let's listen to it and see if the AI will be able to say this thing that I typed here. Okay, this is my real image. Okay, so this is my real image with my real face. Exactly, there is no difference from my face. So this is not a magic and it's not going to make anything look artificial. Let's listen and see what it says.
Voting me in. I promise I will make Lagos a better place. Thank you, my people, for voting me in. I promise I will make Lagos a better place. Thank you, my people, for voting me in. I promise I will make Lagos a better place. Thank you, my people, for voting me in. I promise I will make Lagos a better place.
Okay guys, I think that's so nice enough, and I believe after this video you'll be able to make your image, generate your image in any setting. It could be in a business setting, it could be in a studio, it could be any environment you want. It just needs your face, your real face. Then go to ChatGPT, regenerate it with prompt. Tell ChatGPT how you want the image to be, the kind of clothes you want to wear, and where you want the environment to be. Then take it to Grok and turn it to video and put in what you want to say in the video, and that's all. If this video is helpful, where to subscribe to our channel, like, leave a comment if you encounter any problems, so that we will help you, and share this video for others to learn. Thank you and see you in our next video.